Guys, ama celebrity bapho DJ. Apho DJ what makunje eSouth Africa silwisana nobugebengu ama DJ yawo, you'll never see them anywhere. Bapho DJ, and why should they always be silent when there are issues in South Africa? Yini ebenza ukuthi bona bangafuni ukukhuluma? Yini? Why bangakhulumi? Why ama DJ ama artists la eSouth Africa angakhulumi? In fact, why angasakhulumi? Because we know ukuthi before 94 we had artists who used to sing about issues in South Africa. Those artists were banned in South Africa. They had to even remake songs so that they sound differently. But if you're a black person, you would understand the message behind the song. Where are DJs? We're talking about drugs now. We are fighting in the drugs. We are fighting in the illegality in South Africa. We are fighting in the corruption in South Africa. Where are celebrities? Why are they quiet? Why are they quiet? The last time we heard artists who were vocal about South African issues was before 94. Now, since we have about DJ what, you will never hear them speak about South African matters, but they want to be supported by South Africans. Kajani, where are they? Bapho Miriam Makeba bamanje, or Jonas Kwangwa bamanje, or Johnny Clegg bamanje. Where are they? Why are they quiet? What happened to Abo Hugh Masekela bamanje? Why are they quiet? We must call them out. Because they can't enjoy South Africa while they have a platform to say izinto, to speak out against ubugebengu South Africa, but you will never hear them say anything about that. They have the platform to say something, but they never use the platform. Instead, umuntu ubona ukuthi asebenzisa platform negatively and speak negatively about South Africans who are standing up for South Africa, but the very same artist wants to enjoy the benefits of a peaceful South Africa. It can't be. It can't be. I mean, you have celebrities who are going to America, by invite to America. I come from a small city called Durban. What nonsense is that? Durban is it? Are you mad? We must call these people out. They can't enjoy South Africa when they are quiet. What annoys me the most is the fact that they have platforms to speak out. They chill with these ministers. They chill with them. Why bangabachela we are going to stop chilling with you if you don't do izinto ngendlela right? Why not? You can't be neutral when it comes to issues in South Africa and you are a South African. You can't be neutral. It's either you are on the left or you are on the right. You have to choose, but you can't be in the middle. Can't be in the middle. We can't be having a celebrity la about DJ what who are quiet when it comes to izinto ezibalekile in South Africa. We are not saying come out and be a politician. We are saying show yourself. Let's hear ukuthi wena uthini. Speak out. You have the voice, you have the platform. Nibanjwe yini ma DJ, bo DJ base South Africa. Yini enibambile. Ningafuni size sithi ya vele, that is why you're like getting shot and stuff like that. Guys, speak up. Use your platform to speak. Asonqangana nandla.